Yeah, we're gonna have to do something.
And then I could do this.
Welcome back to another episode of J-Hook Fishing. It's hard to pass up fishing when it's 68 degrees in the end of December. So Judson and I is gonna paddle around in the canoe for a bit and let's see if we can catch one. Cause the goal is one. The goal is always one.
there and then we went.
Yeah.
That was crazy. That was crazy. He almost died. When fish do like when fish do like that, they die.
Okay.
When fish do that, when fish stay like that. Another one. This is the sixth one.
Man.
Actually, it's the seventh one.
We catching them today, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
They all the same size though. And squeeze.
What about fish 25, 4, 3, 2?
Perfect.
5 fish 25, 3, 4, 2. 5. We are catching them.
We're catching them today.
Let's see if you get an eighth one.
Yep.
You caught an eighth one so quickly. You caught him so quickly, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
You're a smart man.
These are all good eating size too. We should
Yeah.
be eating these.
We should. Squeeze. What about tree 24, 5, 3, 3, 3?
Cool.
5 fish 25, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3. Bye. He wagged my tail at me and got my arm and my walk.
You do have one.
First time catching one.
On my pole, yeah. Good job, buddy.
I caught one. I'm going to tell Mommy that I caught one for real.
You did. Can I throw yours back?
Yeah.
Bye, buddy.
When you get one from mine, then I have to throw it back. If I get one from you, then you have to throw it back.
All right, hold on. I'll throw it back out there for you. Did you feel him bite it or what?
I felt him bite it. But I thought that was really tricky. And I just yanked back.
Yeah, always yank back. Hook sets are free.
Yep, hook set for free, baby.
There you go.
Hook set
Do
for
the same.
free.
Do the same thing again.
Okay. The same thing I was doing was just reeling and then like this very slowly. And then I caught one.
Come here, Tucker.
Come on, Tucker. Come on.
All right, Judson and I have pulled that canoe from the water up this hill. We got to go right there. We're out of shape. We're both out of breath.
He's doing it like that. All
All right, Judson, let's finish it off.
I just.
Let's do it.
Ah!
You ready?
Because I stepped in that huge ant bed. Look at that.
I'm out of here.
Look at, wait, Daddy.
I see it. I've already started. Push, push, push. Look at armadillo. Y'all are making more work. Y'all are making more work on us. Whew. Tucker, you pulled this canoe. All right, we need our paddle.
This is our paddle?
Yeah.
Who do we have to get to?
We're gonna take it home with us.
Yay, are we going home?
No, we're gonna go up to the upper pine. All right. My book bag filled up with water and I went to go unzip it right here. All the water came out in my boot. So now I'm Sir Squishy. What is it?
This is a horrible song, but it's kind of like at the ending. And one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Ho, ho, ho. Rudolph, what's your nose so bright? Won't you not climb a sleigh tonight?
Wow, then Santa won't be able to guide a sleigh.
Because it's
Whoa.
a bad story. What's my Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
How did that get there?
Where?
That whole thing right there.
That tree?
Uh-huh.
I don't know, the wind blew it over, I guess.
No, like the brown stuff.
That's the dirt that's underneath the tree.
How did it get there? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Sorry.
Mm-hmm. All right, you ready to go down where the trees are, catch one? I don't think we're gonna catch. On the couch any day. Yes, sir.
Did you catch any fish?
No, sir. You ready to go home?
Yeah.
Let's go home. Till next time, guys.